With just one prompt, you can complete an entire video localization workflow. In this tutorial, we'll use Codex as the AI agent to create, manage, and download multiple Vozo projects. You can also install Vozo Skills in other agents you use. First, open Codex. Then go to the Skills page on the Vozo website and find the installation command. Copy the installation command and paste it into the Codex chat. Codex checks the environment and installs the Vozo CLI and the required agent skills. This may take 4 to 5 minutes. If the installation gets blocked, simply ask Codex to resolve the issue. Next, complete a one-time Vozo account authorization in your browser. Once authorized, return to the Codex chat and confirm that the CLI and skills are ready. Now, upload your video folder to Codex and describe the task. For example, you can ask Codex to translate several videos into different languages, including dubbed audio and on-screen text, and then export all the finished files to a local folder. Codex calls Vozo to create the projects, connects the required translation tools, and keeps checking project status. There is no need to create or monitor every project manually. When the projects are complete, Codex summarizes their status and results in the chat and provides links to each project. If you need to make any changes, click the link to open the project in Vozo and edit it directly. Once you're finished, return to Codex and ask the AI to export the updated result. Codex exports all finished files and saves them to the specified location. With Vozo Skills, the entire process can be completed through a conversation with your agent. Now, one prompt is all it takes for AI to handle the full video translation workflow.